name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On my channel, you'll find lots of unique DIY projects and a vlog of me creating a life I love. During this DIY, we're going to create a must-have Easter Bunny countdown chalkboard. To create the chalkboard, I've chosen a 12 by 16 piece of pine. Easter's the perfect time to use those bright spring colors, so I'm going to show you a couple of different color combinations and create a few extras during this video. I'm going to paint all my backgrounds white. You want to make sure that you paint the sides, and because you're using white paint, you'll probably need a few coats along your board. I'm going to use a soft 220 grit sandpaper and just lightly sand over the surface of my board and maybe distress the edges just a little bit. I created two separate designs for the Easter Bunny countdown boards. If you'd like to purchase this as a cut file, you can visit my Etsy shop, Elysia English Designs. I'll be putting the link in the description box below. Using the design available on my Etsy shop, I'm using my silhouette cameo and contact paper to create a stencil. I'm going to weed out all my lettering to create my stencil. Using this same contact paper, just the remnants off the side of the roll, I'm going to use it as my transfer tape to transfer my image from the backing of the paper onto my board. Decided to do some patterning with the lettering, and so what I'm going to do is use a piece of paper to block the next letter so that I don't overlap. To turn this into a reusable chalkboard for kids to write on with white chalk, I'm now going to make my bunny shape a chalkboard. To do this, I'm going to use chalkboard paint, not chalk paint, chalkboard paint. You're going to want to do at least 3 coats, letting them dry in between each coat. Now the fun part where you get to remove the stencil. I'm still going to add a colorful frame to this one. This one says, hippity hop, Easter's on its way. And my second design says, Easter Bunny, please stop here. While these dry, I'm going to create some frames. If you'd like to learn how I frame my signs, you can watch my How to Frame Wood Signs video on my channel. I decided that I wanted to paint my frames with some really nice bright spring colors. I'm not going to paint with full coverage because I want to heavily distress at the end. I'm going to keep rotating until all the ends and sides are painted. I'm going to take some sandpaper and distress the edges. I love the added detail that giving a heavy distressing gives to a sign. Using my air nailer, I'm going to adhere my frame. Now that our chalkboard's done, we can write how many more days until the Easter Bunny comes. I had so much fun making these chalkboards. I hope this video inspires you to make your own. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me on my channel. You can help my channel grow by sharing this video with someone you think will enjoy it. Comment down below which frame color was your favorite. I'll see you on the next video.
Can you make painting not so boring?
Hey, music.
Oh, I wish we could play music.
Well, in my head, it's like...
What?